this big clay pot. Pranika?
Ma'am, I use this pot to keep my pulses and grains.
Okay, thank you, Pranika. Now, Aditya Raj, look at this pot. Look at this pot. And how can you differentiate this from that? Okay, I try my best to zoom this. Okay. Aditya Raj. Yes. Where are you, Aditya? Prapti Jain, please you share your idea. Please share your idea. What difference you observe in both pots?
सॉरी मैम मैं कुछ सुनी मैम बिकॉज ऑफ नेटवर्क कनेक्शन मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुई हूँ जस्ट नाउ
Okay. Arnav Agarwal, these kinds of pot are you using using at your home, Arnav?
to
No.
store
Sometimes
water
people
in it.
use for store water. We use
Yes, ma'am.
water, है ना? But how can you differentiate that this pot from that? Do you observe any difference between both of them? If you look at this, that pot is open with not lid, not covered lid. That is okay. And if you look at this, that can maybe use for water, for stored water. And there you can observe many small pots, clay pots there. Those were used in different purposes. Okay, so these were the evidence found by the archaeologists, which they discovered from Harappan side, Mohenjo-daro sites. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Into wait, Kashvi, wait. Kashvi, wait, beta. Okay, now please everyone open your chapter 3, the earliest cities. So first we start a session with a word meaning. Yesterday, everyone please open your book. Yes, the first word, stumbled. Now raise your hand. What is the meaning of stumbled? Yes, Kashvi.
To hit your foot.
Yes, the next one is destroyed. Everyone,
Vanish.
your backbone should be straight. Destroyed. Yes, Aditya Raj.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, Aditya Raj.
Finish.
Yes. Next one is dilapidated. Dilapidated. Yes, Khushi.
Old or broken.
Yes. Now, any one of you can Sorvi, can you tell me Harappan city were divided into how many section or part?
Ma'am, two parts.
Two parts. Yes, Punit Anand, please tell me the name of this part.
Ma'am, first lower part and second is central part.
Lower part and upper part. That upper part known as citadel. That was located on the west, higher but smaller comparatively lower part. The main buildings of the city like granary or temples, assembly halls, water tank, all these main buildings were at upper part in the citadel. Okay, now any one of you tell
Yes.
me in which city the fire altars were found by the archaeologist. Fire altars. Any one of you, please. Aryan Gautam, please concentrate in class. Aryan Gautam. Yes. Uh, Prapti. Prapti Jain. Please turn on your camera. Prapti Jain, please turn on your camera, beta. Arav Kulyal, please tell me in which cities the fire altar were found by the archaeologist. The evidence of fire altars. Like Kalibanga, Lothal and Lothal, the two cities where the fire altars were found. Now look at the map, everyone. Everyone look at the map, hold pencil and mark all these sites on your map. Okay? Tick all these sites. Fine. First is Lothal. Everyone mark Lothal and Kalibanga. So right over here, make sign of fire altar. Make sign of fire altar over here, beta. Make sign of fire altar. Lothal and Kalibanga. In this way, uh, you make sign on these sites. It help you to learn where the fire altars found. Okay, by the archaeologist. Now the where the water tank found. So we use for water tank which color? Blue color. Okay, and the shape, curve shape. So the water tank found at Mohenjo-daro. Everyone please. Okay, fine. Now the next one is storehouse. Elaborate storehouse. Where the elaborate storehouse found? Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal. Storehouse. So for storehouse we use green color. Mohenjo-daro. Okay, small dots we use for grains because in storehouse grain were used. Grains store in this storehouse, and the Harappan. It's mean the granary house found in these sites. Okay, then next one is Lothal. So Lothal were famous for fire altars and granary. So now with the help of this map, with the help of this symbol, now give me the answer. Everyone, please attentive everyone. Yes. Wait. Now, Kushi, now you tell me Where the fire altars, archaeologists were found fire altars. Name the cities.
Lolthal or Kalibanga.
Kalibanga. Now, Aryan Gautam, please tell me where the Great Bath found. Yes, Aryan Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Where the Great Bath formed. Great Bath.
Ma'am, Harappa.
Vaibhav. Vaibhav Balan. Chitra. Yes, Chitra, please answer the question. Okay, Janak Verma. Janak Verma.
Ma'am, the answer is Mohenjo-daro.
Mohenjo-daro. And where is the fire altars found?
Ma'am, Kalibanga and Lothal.
Okay, so if you put these sign on your map, this make you easily learn the areas where you find out these special buildings, these special kind of uh, structure in the different cities. Fine. Now come to the move on the next page. House, drains, and streets. Everyone, please move on the next page. Everyone, please move on the next page. Yes, Kashvi. If you don't have any doubts, please lower down your hand. Thank you. Now, Sorvi, please read the chapter. Now you can see this is the pic of Great Bath. The both side this tank had क्या है? Stairs. By this the devotees take bath in this tank, and this tank filled by the water, and that water brought by from the wells, and then after use it drain out. And this great bath surrounded by rooms. You can see the boundaries, the broken walls of these rooms. This bath surrounded by rooms. Let's talk about houses, drains, and cities. Generally, as I told you, these houses either one or two story, and each few houses had their separate well system. Houses are divided into different compartment. Okay, some had well to supply water, some had separate bathing area. Okay, and the important main feature of Harappan that the cities had covered drains, and carefully they were led out in straight line, and time to time the people can inspect these drains because uh, these drains were covered and inspection holes where they provided at interval to clean them, because as I told you the drains were covered. So how they clean all these drains? So for this the intervals, the holes were there. By the with the help of these interval holes, the people clean the drains. All three houses, drains, and streets were properly planned and built at same time. That is why it is known as planned city. So let's start reading. Yes, and everyone please write the word meaning. House, drains, and streets. Yes, Survi. Wait, sorry. Okay.
Mama, I'm audible.
Yes, beta.
Houses, drains, and streets. Generally, houses were either 1 or 2 stories high with rooms built around a courtyard. Most houses had a separate bathing area and some had wells to supply water. Many of these cities had covered drains, noticed in the straight lines. Although you cannot see it, each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. Very often, drains in houses were connected to those on the streets, and smaller drains led into bigger ones. As the drains were covered, inspection holes were provided at intervals to clean them. All three houses, drains, and streets were probably planned and built at the same time. List at least two differences between the house described here and those that you studied about in chapter 2.
Yes. Now find out everyone what is the meaning of intervals. Short time. Intervals, short time. Gentle slope means gentle incline. थोड़ा सा incline, gentle incline. Incline लिखिए INCLINED, inclined. Connected, attached. Connected, attached. Okay. Now, Punit Anand, please read the chapter.
Yes, ma'am. Life in city. Harappan city was a very busy place. There were people who planned the construction of special buildings in the city. These were probably the rulers. It is likely that the rulers sent people to distant lands to get metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. They may have kept the most valuable objects.
Yes, wait a minute, Punit. So the rulers, those were involved to build this building, they were sent the people in distant land, in different area to collect the material. Like when we people decorate our house, so we collect the different articles from the different place. Na? Same time, same way, the people of Hadappans were sent the people to distant land to collect the material. Like they require the red sand, and the red sand not available there. So they send the people to the different area where the red sand available. Okay, fine, everyone.
Can I move?
Fine, understood? For
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I read now?
No.
Kashvi
Such as ornament,
Wait.
such as
No, beta, Punit, wait. Mohammad Arman, please read the chapter. Arman, read the chapter.
Ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, please speak little bit louder, beta.
Wait a second.
Yes, Arman.
Life in the city.
Yes.
A Harpan city was a very busy place. There were people who planned the construction of a special building in the city. These were probably the rules. It is likely that the rules send people to distant lands to get metals, precious stones, and other things that they want. They many have kept the most valuable objects such as ornaments of gold and silver or beautiful braids for themselves. And they were grievous, grievous peoples who know
Scribes.
how to
Scribes.
write.
Arman, scribes. Who is scribe? The people who know how to write. So yani it means the scribe was learned people. The people who know how to write, who help the preparer to seal, because the seal means the seal belong to particular place, like our country currency. So on our current country currency, the name is given the India. So every that time the people use seal, stamp, your postcard having a stamp, so that stamp relate to उसको देखते ही पता चला that stamp relate to particular country. So each and every city have their own seal, and that seal is written by scribes, prepared by scribe. Fine.
Yes.
And scribe, the person who know how to write. So they help to prepare the seals and perhaps wrote the other material that they have not survived. Yes, Arman, please continue.
Besides, there were men and women, craft persons, making all kinds of things, either in their own homes or in a special workshop. People were traveling to distant land or returning with raw materials, and perhaps stories many terracotta toys have been found and children must have played with these.
Okay, now what is terracotta?
Then terracotta is an material.
Yes, okay, Arman, please. Anyone else, please tell me what is terracotta? What is terracotta? Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, I'm Juna. Can I tell?
Ma'am, it is a type of a clay that is baked and then toys and other things are made.
Okay, so the terracotta is a reddish brown clay that had been baked but not covered in shiny transparent substance, यानी कि glazed substance. इसे they made this thing from this thing like pots, okay, toys or small utensils. Fine, everyone. Like sometimes they make the statue from terracotta, okay. Okay, everyone. So the people of the craft person, those are making these kind of terracotta toys and a utensil for home and toys for children. So the Harappan children were playing with terracotta toys. Now everyone please move on next page, new crafts in the city. Now my humble request to all of you, please turn on your camera. Okay, Dharavya Jain, please read the chapter.
Okay. New crafts in the city.
Hmm.
Let us look at the same of the objects that were made and found in Harappan city. Most of the things that have been found by archaeologists are made up of stone, shell, metal, including copper, bronze, gold, and silver. Copper and bronze were were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments, vessels. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels.
So the
Yes.
archaeologists found the many evidence. Okay, thank you, Adharape. Archaeologists found many evidence where they show that the Harappan people were used stone, shell, metal, copper, silver, gold, because they find these things in different articles. In different articles were covered and the decorated with these things. Like if you look at the on your page that statue, that person where the if you look at this person, observe this statue, that person where the headgear is there. So that maybe the headgear is a made up of would be the made up of uh, gold, silver or copper. So it's mean the Harappan people use this kind of metals in that time. Okay, and look at the left side of your page. Left side of your page, the white like sugar balls there. These are not sugar balls, these are the weight. They were used for measuring the uh, quantity of particular the crops, grain and other things. They use this kind of weight, stone weight, this type of stone weight. So their weight is used like if your mother is taking the vegetable from the vendor, so the vendor use the measuring instrument, they weight with the and if 1 kg, 2 kg, half kg, am I right? Same time, Harappan people were also used stone weights, and these were made up of chert. What is the chert? Chert is a kind of stone. Chert is a kind of stone. These were probably used to weigh the precious stones and metal. Okay. Now look at the beads. We people also use the wearing the bead ornament, like today I wear this ear uh, ear top. Okay, tops. This is a pulse top. Okay. So same way that time the Harappan people were use different kind of beads for making ornament. So the many these were the made up of Caroline. Caroline is a beautiful red stone. You can see on your page. Okay, the stone was cut shaped. Why the cut and shape? Because they can easily wear. And then the hole on that stone, that stone by which the hole was bored through the center, the string could be passed through it. पल्स में होल होगा तभी तो धागा इजीली जा सकता है. Then the pearls come together and it make a necklace. Then these pearls having a hole. Fine. Same way, the stone blades were used, the embroidery clothes. As you can see, the person, the embroidery cloth, that person, that statue, the stone statue, an important man found in Mohenjo-daro showing wearing a embroidered garment. So, which shows that embroidery was very famous in that Harappan. Okay, so the many things are made up of steel. The stones. Now let's talk about the seal of Harappan. The Harappan also made a seal. That seal is in which shape? Zoner Khan, that seal is made up of which shape? That seal made up of rectangular shape.
And it is rectangular shape and its spots made of clay and
Picture of animals over there, like unicorn and other.
yes, ma'am.
That seal having a animal pic, curved animal pic on that seal. So unicorn seal is there. It's mean that is related to Harappan and Mohenjo-daro. Fine, everyone. The Harappan also used pot with a beautiful black design, such as one shown page number 6. As I have shown you, I will show you again. Wait. These are the utensil with design, black design. Beautiful bag design or not? So this kind of utensils used by the Harappan. The Harappan also, now, how can we say the cotton probably grow in at Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago? How can we say? Because there is evidence. The archaeology found the evidence of cloth, cotton cloth. कैसे मिला उनको? The actual piece of cloth was found attached to the lid of silver vase and the copper object at Mohenjo-daro. कोई सिल्वर वॉस मिला होगा and the cotton cloth उसमें चिपका था. So archaeology found we show that the Mohenjo-daro Harappan people and at Mehergarh the cotton was cultivated. After that they turn into cotton cloth. So that system were there. तभी उनको evidence मिला ना. And archaeologists also have find out the spindle whorls. Spindle whorls means जिसमें धागे को घुमाया जाता है, चरखा. And they also made the terracotta and fans that were used to spin thread. पहले उन्होंने cotton sewn की, then cotton turned into thread, then thread turned into cloth. So the evidence of that lid is attached with the cotton. They were found the spindle whorls. They were found the spin thread. Use their spin thread. So different kind of evidence found, which we can say the cotton cloth, cotton were used in Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago. Okay, everyone. Now next we complete our chapter in next class. So I hope everyone understood the concept. So what is your homework? You write down the features of house, drains and of Mohenjo-daro, the new craft in the city, how drain and city and the life in the city. You write few lines on it and do word meaning in your notebook. Okay, everyone? Yes or no?